I'm talking to Mr. Jerry Mashamba on the subject of philanthropy. He is managing director of his own enterprise titled Just Mashamba.
Yes.
How are you, sir?
I'm all right indeed.
Good. What is your philosophy on philanthropy?
I think it is important that if you are a businessman or an organization, is that you support the community in which you're making your money from. It would be incorrect for you to make money and the communities around you are not thriving, or you turn a blind eye to those communities. So every organization, it must be embedded. In fact, it's a governance issue that they should invest in the communities in which it operates. And we must acknowledge that even when you go back in time memorial, there are people who are less privileged, some are less fortunate. And it is the duty of those that are more fortunate to assist those that are less fortunate. So it is important that every person, organization who has got the means to assist, and it doesn't have to be money always. It can be your time, it can be mentoring, it can be assisting, it can be helping. I'm going to deliver a speech at a school or at high school, primary school, to encourage students. So that's also part of philanthropy. And definitely, I've always believed that teach, what do they say, the old saying,
Teach a man how to
fish, and he'll never go hungry.
He'll never go hungry.
And give him the fish. he'll come back more. He'll
Definitely.
come back more.
Yes.
Or more.
Just very quickly, would you like to tell our followers the activities of your company or your group?
Yeah, we're an asset management company, so we do mainstream asset, long-term asset management, institutional, and we also have benefits administration. So we manage, we've got our own funds, umbrella funds, pension funds, lifestyle funds, and then we also do trading. So we do on the market, we're a market maker, and we've got a wealth business, wealth management business. So where we deal with ultra high net worth individuals, and we portfolio manage. We manage, we do tax planning. We do we make sure that we optimize or maximize their wealth, and we maximize their returns from the investments. So we're basically a financial services company. So in short,